Hey everybody, this is Hank from Limitless Woodworking, and I've been with the company for over 4 years now. But right now, I'm currently responsible for the assembly of the cabinets and also quality checking all of the cabinets after they're stained and after the top coat is applied and they're dry. And I'm so thankful for my job. More specifically, I'm thankful that Chad and Alyssa have had such a good impact on my life. Honestly, I don't know if I would know Jesus in the way that I do now if it weren't for them and their influence in my life.